Math Gad.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning how to tell whether or not, how to identify a function when given a graph. So let's begin. So guys, in today's video we're basically going to be learning just that, how to identify if a graph is really a function, right? So the thing we can actually do is that we have to remember that if we have one value of x and we have two values of y, like here, we can actually tell that that is not a function. Another thing that we can do in order to identify that in an easier way is actually drawing a vertical line at any point in the graph. So as you guys can see, if the vertical line touches more than one point, it is not going to be a function. If it touches just one point, then it is going to be a function, right? As you can see on the one on the right, it touches 2 points, so that means that that is not going to be a function, right? It can just touch 1 point at any given point in time, because we cannot have multiple values of y for a single value of x. So guys, let's try doing some problems. Feel free to pause the video or replay if you need to. So this is the first one we're going to be seeing, which is a distance versus time graph. As you can tell, if we draw a vertical line here, we're going to see that it's actually 1, 2, 3 values of y for a single value of x. So that means that we cannot say that this is a function. So this is just a relation. This is not a function. Okay? Another thing that we can do here is that we can see that for a value of 4, we have the points 4, 2, we have the point 4, 6, and we have the point 4, 8. Because we have the points 4, 2, 4, 6, and 4, 8, we can see that there is a repeated value for x. And since there is a repeated value for x or different values of y for the same values of x, this is not a function. Again, the easier way to do this is just drawing a vertical line and seeing that there is actually more than 3 points. Okay, let's continue with the next one. So the next problem is a linear relationship, not like the previous one, which was not a linear one, it was a curve, so it was not linear. In this case, this is a linear relationship because it is a straight line. And at any given point in time, if I draw vertical lines, I'm just going to cut the graph in just one point. So this is indeed a function. In the last one, we can see that this is also not a linear relation, but if we draw vertical lines at any given point, we're just going to be cutting the graph in just a single point. So that means that this is indeed a function. So in the first one, it wasn't a function. It is actually a relation and it had no linear relationship. The second one was a linear relationship and it had also a function. And in this case, this is also a function, but this is not a linear relationship. So I hope you guys understood. Make sure you guys draw those vertical lines in order to see if the graph is a function or not. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!